Yoga and Wellness Retreat Center by the Sea in Taipei, Taiwan. Today I would like you to come practice meditation with me by the sea. We will do a short 10 minutes practice together. Where I am right now is a place right by the retreat center within walking distance, and it's my go-to place for meditation by the sea. It's got big solid rocks here where I can sit here. It's quite secluded, so not many people walk past here. And also we have a beautiful background of the ocean, as you can see. Now it's 7 a.m. in the morning, so the fishermen are out, but other than the fishermen, it's just us. So I encourage you to find something similar at home, a place that is quiet and safe where you feel inspired to practice. And let's do this together. Find your comfortable seated position. I like to put my hand in what's known as Zen Mudra, so left palm beneath the right and thumb slightly touching. This just helps to connect our energy circuit. And then with your posture and your mudra all ready, work on closing your eyes. Begin to inhale and lengthen your body as you breathe in. And gentle contract the body as you breathe out. Start with 3 deep breaths. Working with the breath to help you release any tension from the body. We practice meditation with 3 simple steps. First is relaxation. Consciously scan your body from the top of the head. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows. And soften the muscles around your eyes. Relax the jaws. Let the tension and the weight on your shoulder melt away when you exhale. Relax your arms all the way down to your fingertips. Relax the chest and feeling the natural movement of the breath. Relax your stomach. And let your whole body weight just be supported by the ground. Relax your hips. Relax your thighs, your knees, the back of your calves, and going down to your heels, the soles of your feet and your toes. With your whole body relaxed, begin just to notice your surroundings, any sounds in the background. The temperature of the space you're seated in, the texture of your clothing. And layer by layer going inwards to observe the body. and any tension you're holding on to in the muscles. Observe your thoughts. Any particular feeling that's arising for you this morning. And going inwards to find and connect with your breathing. The second step in meditation is to connect with the breath and stay here. Enjoy your breath as you breathe in. Feel the sensation of the air as you breathe out. As you're focused on your breath, whatever thoughts arise in the background, any noises or distraction, any sensation in the body pulling your attention away, that is completely natural. Simply notice the distraction and just come right back to your breathing. You can rest your attention on a particular point in the body, perhaps the tip of your nostril as you breathe, feeling how your nostril expands and the air passes through the nose when you inhale. Noticing the heat of your breath as you exhale. And finally, entering into the third step of our meditation. And that is to be in complete stillness without any movement. Resist the temptation to scratch, to adjust. Be in complete stillness and continue to focus on the breath. Continue your own practice for just a few more minutes. Notice and observe the quality of your breath and be in complete stillness. Beginning just to deepen your breath, signaling to the body the end of the practice. But keep your eyes closed. Take another moment to quietly observe the body. Noticing the space you've created within. Notice how relaxed and soft and peaceful you feel. Give gratitude to yourself for taking the time to be with yourself. Last 3 deep breaths. Slowly awaken the body. And when you're ready, gently blink your eyes open and adjust to the light around you. And you can move your hands, move your feet. So I hope you enjoyed that practice together, knowing that anytime you need, you simply need to take 10 minutes. All you need is 10 minutes to come back to yourself, to find and reconnect with that peaceful feeling within. And this place is available for you anytime, anywhere you need. Thank you for your practice. Namaste.